Clement tries to convince his family that he's not a drug addict just because he does not want to go to rehab. Mandula thinks that the good news have bewitched him. Kwesi wants to sue Clement, but Kobas thinks it's a bad idea. Clement is still trying to get drugs even in Teflop. Alfred is busy with interviews, but Carol thinks that only the one with money will get the job. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Scheme Sam. Mandul phoned Pretty, blaming her for not taking care of Clement and lying to her, saying that Clement was fine, knowing exactly that Clement was not okay. Pretty is now feeling bad, telling Lehasa that as I failed very to look after Clement. Lehasa thinks, but hi man, the muntu mdala, he's got 32 teeth. Iking icade man business, abo pumpkin, abo potato. Mdala lo muntu is an old man. He needs professional help. And then Clement and Lenny is just, I think he slept off the alcohol and now wants to go out. Quite out, yeah, you are sangana even. Can you know? Do you know that I even missed my pitch? I could not go to Namibia because of you. We need to talk nafas more. Then they start talking. Mama Heshem was so heartbroken, saying, Clement, how can you do this to us? Marawana katlera urata. We want to see you do well. And Papa Heshem, they were just so supportive of Clement and saying good he needs to get professional help. But Clement is begging them not to send him to rehab, saying that he's not a drug addict, trying to convince them. Mandulu thinks kuti hi man, there's no way ngwanaka utsedi drugs. But we know utsedi drugs mutu. Lihaza mkrele ka bag of cocaine. And they even have a video of his friend telling them that Clement takes drugs. Clement was just so defensive, saying, hey man, malume, stop saying those things. You're gonna give Kuku a heart attack, man. But hey, when I manyano sangkwatisha. But Manduri doesn't want to believe because Clement is taking drugs and says that bamuloyile, it's not drugs. When I get the drugs into it, and then he begs them not to take him to rehab because he needs them not to give up on him. Utloba sharp and is in Teflop, so he's not gonna do drugs anymore because you won't have access to drugs. So not the drugs more Teflop. Hadi is just spinning them, knowing exactly what he's still going to try and get them. Now I think they're convinced to give him another chance and not take him to rehab because they think yay, Clement is on a different mission. Papa Haya goes to him in his room to give him food and just to talk to him, telling him that I'm proud of you, son. I know, Hori, I think all of this is my fault because I got mama haupila and like I abused your mom and this is affecting you now. But Clement's like, no, Papa, don't blame yourself. This is all because I kept company a bed. So these are the people that I was hanging around with. It's not your fault at all. Papa had told him, because I'm so proud of you. You graduated. We were celebrating your graduation. You created medical crazy beauty. So don't be hard on yourself, man. I'm so proud of you and I love you so much, my son. Papa and they hugged. They shared like a special moment hugging and Papa Clement just showing him because he's there for him. Auntie Clement is on a different mission. Clement went and cooked with his grandmother downstairs. They think Clement is back to normal. Ushapu no. After cooking, Clement will go to his room and try to phone Ukeni and asking him if he's got stuff moyena because Kenny wanted to come pick him up. Usanzia today, we'll meet tomorrow. Today angaskhoni, but if you've got stuff on you, that's good. So Clement is going to continue taking drugs, got to flop while they think Hori is clean. And then Crazy goes to see Kobas, wanting to saying that she wants to sue Clement for what he did to her business. But Kobas is saying, how do you want to sue someone, a boy that made a mistake? That boy is in trouble. He needs professional help. I saw him the other day when he came here to see Pretty. And if you sue this young man, you're going to prove what he was saying about you, that you're not a good person, is true. So rather not do it, man. So because he decides, okay, I want an apology in a video. And Kobas was like, it's fine, I'll make that happen. That happen. Now, Tibo was rare because he could not get the flight to Namibia because of this whole thing that Kwaito was not involved. And now he couldn't get the flight. So now he's deciding he's going to drive to Namibia. It's about 21 hours. But obviously he can't because he's going to work. And, weird the things Kuti Kwaito is setting him back because he's not as fully committed as he is to the business. Like there's like different occasions where he has let him down and says, well, you need to have this conversation in Kwaito because this man will Ishamara. And then Ari, because Tibos is now thinking like this Kisapotachi, we almost missed the pitch. But he managed to get someone to give them a lift, a private jet. Hi, someone is also going there to pitch their business. And then he tells Kwaito about this. Kutu, we just got a lift in a private jet, got 20 Tao. Kwaito is happy and apologizing. He left him stranded at a difficult time because of Clement. And then Makongwele Vedin, they're busy doing interviews, calling for the teacher position. Evelyn seemed to have liked someone and for the position, and Maronga seems to have his person too, but then they need to send a list to the department, so it's like the whole decision lies with Maronga. But the other teachers think Kuti, Caroline thinks that only the person that has money will get the position because Alfred, Koyena, money talks. But the others are like, no, man, don't be like that. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.